So now that our views has been created, let us go to the MongoDB part. Let us pull a new terminal and type MongoDB in order to start the MongoDB server. And while you are working on the local environment, the MongoDB server should be up and running. Now let's pull up a new terminal and say Mongo. In order to start the Mongo shell, I'm gonna type use visits. This will transform the server to use the database that I have been the name of the database, and if it's not created, it will create it. So let's type show collections, and there's no collections. So if I type db dot create collection visit, okay, that means the collection is now. If I say show collections, I have one collection called visits. Let me now insert something inside that collection. So I'm gonna say db dot collection name, which is visit dot answer. Now I have two pages, so I'm gonna create two uh, documents in this collection, where each one have two fields. The first one is page. Oh, let me just remove those ones. Page is gonna be home, the first one, and counter will be 0. Alright, another one is the about page. So you have to create a new document for each page in your site. So now if I type db dot visit dot find, I pass it an empty object to retrieve all the documents in this collection. And if I say pretty to format them, I can see that I have two documents.